everybody, it's Heather with One Organized Mom. Today we're going to talk about how to get the kids to help you do the chores. This is a hard one. I know I've struggled with it for years, but hopefully these tips will help you. And the distractions. You have to take away whatever's distracting them. If they're on their phone, if they're on electronics, if they're playing a game, you have to take that away in order to get them to focus on the chore. Motivate them, make it fun, time them. Set a timer to say, how many dishes can you clean in 20 minutes? Or the last time it took you 15 minutes, I bet you could do it in less. That'll really motivate them. Set an allowance for certain types of chores. Structure your chores. If they always take out the trash in the evening time, make that a structured chore. If it's always a chore to clean the bathroom first thing in the morning, make that their structured chore every day. Remember, don't ever use chores as a form of punishment. That will totally backfire and it will not get you what you need.